Monday morning, and it is very warm today. I've just spent the best part of the morning going around our greenhouses, making sure that everything has had enough water, because this afternoon temperature is going up to 87, so we best make sure that everything's watered early doors. But that's done now, so I think we've got a couple of harvests again. So in order to keep these plants producing constantly, we need to go and do a little harvest and see what we've got. But at the same time, we can have a little check on other plants that aren't quite ready, but see how they're doing. So I've got my basket, let's go and have a look. I can see straight away we've got some more of these chili peppers. They're actually producing really well. So since they're a decent size, we might as well take some of these. There's loads and loads of peppers on this plant. Let's get some off. They'll do. We'll leave rest to grow a bit bigger. I think I want to take some of these beetroot today for pickling, and then I'll sow some more. So we can just basically twist them out if we wanted only one. Just do that. And then they'll come out as singles. But we want them all, so. And we'll get these on cooking channel at some point this week and get them pickled. No tomatoes ready at the moment. It is a bit early for those. But once again, we do have more of these green beans. So we'll get a couple of those off and all. We don't want them to get too long. A few beans. Pop them in his basket. And then right at the top, we have another big one. That one sneaked up on me. We'll take that one as well. So just a few green beans. Cherry tomato plants are coming on really well. Still getting lots and lots of tomatoes growing on these, but there'll be a while before they start to turn red. These onions still need a little bit longer. Strawberries. And we've got a few more strawberries as well. And it looks like we've got even more peas. We're getting harvests a couple of times a week with these now, but we need to keep picking them. Especially when they get really fat like this. So that's looking pretty good so far. Got a nice bunch of peas there. But we've definitely got another cucumber and some more flowers coming as well. There's a little tiny one just there. So we'll take this big one off. Give this plant a chance to grow more. Again, really nice cucumber that. These tomatoes are doing really well. Just need to start ripening for us. But they are a good size. There's a couple of these red onions left. I think I'll take one. They're not massive, but they're still usable. This plant's got some peppers on it, but they're still quite small. We'll leave those. We've got a couple of cauliflowers again. Trying. We have lost a few, unfortunately. They keep just going to seed, splitting open. So it might be an idea to take a couple of these while they're still fairly young. just so we get something. This container Brussels plant is trying to grow some Brussels now. Hopefully we should get some of those by end of the season. And this has put quite a bit of growth on in just a week. So we're going to have to start and train this up, keep it off that damp compost. That's one of those Jack B. Little miniature pumpkin plants. And that pepper that we transplanted quite recent didn't get any plant shock, it still kept its fruit. So we'll just leave those to grow now. And we're starting to get some golden raspberries as well. But again, this plant's grown quite quick, so we need to pin this back, so we don't want this stem breaking. So, although we keep taking harvests every week, sometimes twice a week, we're still getting these really nice looking fruits. And they're just going to keep coming and coming as long as we keep picking them. And that, to me, is a perfect size to take it, because none of that is going to get wasted. And we keep getting handfuls of these peas every week as well, which is brilliant, because you can put them in pretty much anything when you're making a meal. And chilies, hot lemon drop chili peppers. I haven't actually cooked anything with these yet, but I am going to try just to see how hot they are. And we've got, albeit small, but still perfectly usable, red onion, while we're waiting for those big white ones to fully mature. But something different this week. We've took some beetroot. It's first harvest of beetroot this year. And there's plenty of time to just sow some more seeds direct outside if you want to. And you'll still get beetroot by Christmas. But this is something new for this week. So as we progress through season and it keeps getting hotter and hotter, your fruit's going to ripen a lot quicker. So it won't be too long before we're filling baskets with fresh homegrown tomatoes as well. And if you want to see what else we harvest over the next couple of months, then please just hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and we'll see you on the next update. You all take care. Thanks for watching.